Don't use your computer without these free programs. First, Google Chrome. Fast browsing and useful extensions. Second, VLC Media Player. It plays almost every video format without problems. Third, 7-Zip. Perfect for extracting zip and RAR files. Fourth, Everything Search. This tool finds files on your computer instantly. Fifth, Canva. Great for creating designs, thumbnails, and presentations. Sixth, Notion. Excellent for organizing notes, tasks, and projects. And seventh, OBS Studio. One of the best free screen recording software programs. All these tools are free and extremely useful for students, creators, and office work.